In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give star in American Eagle 2026. We'll walk through how to leave a star rating and a written review for a product on the American Eagle website. This helps other shoppers, and it only takes a minute once you know where everything lives. Start by heading to the American Eagle website in your browser. On the home page, look at the top navigation bar. That's your main dashboard. Choose the section that fits what you're shopping for, like women, men, jeans, or another option in the top menu, and click to open it. Next, pick a category within that section. For example, if you're in women, you might choose dresses, tops, or jeans. Once you're in the category, browse through the items. When you spot the product you want to rate, click it to open the product details page. On the product page, scroll down until you reach the reviews area. You'll see a row of stars beneath the reviews heading. Click the number of stars you want to give, 1 through 5, with 5 being the highest. As soon as you click, the stars will fill in to confirm your selection, and a pop-up or form will appear so you can write your review. In the review box, type your honest feedback. Be specific about what you liked or didn't. Fit, comfort, fabric quality, color accuracy, and sizing are especially helpful to others. Keep it constructive and clear. Add a short review title that sums up your experience in a quick phrase like "great fit, runs true to size." Then enter a nickname. This is what will be displayed publicly, so avoid using your full name or any personal details. Enter your email address in the email field. This is typically used for verification and won't be posted with your review. Only provide your own contact information and avoid including sensitive data anywhere in your review. Before submitting, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. American Eagle notes that inappropriate reviews won't be posted, and submitted reviews become licensed property of the company. It's a good idea to skim the terms so you know what you're agreeing to. Finally, click Submit. Your rating and review may go through a brief moderation process, so don't worry if you don't see it live immediately. You can refresh the page later to check, and you may receive a confirmation message or email. That's it. Navigate to your section, pick a category, open the product, choose your star rating, write a clear review and title, add your nickname and email, agree to the terms, and submit. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.